It is 9 p.m. I'm standing in the living room, in the middle of the living room, near the stairs. I don't know if you can hear him snoring, but that is Joe. I'm going to move closer. I am now standing in the middle of the hallway leading to the bedrooms. I am now in the bedroom. At the door. That was Joe snoring.